Signals Tradingview indicator has very high win rate. If you are looking for the best high win rate indicator, then this video is for you. I will show you where to enter a trade, set your stop loss, open a long position, and a short position. Also, where to take profit. In this video, I am going to show you an extremely accurate crypto scalping strategy. You will also learn how to tune the indicator settings. I will also backtest the strategy 51 times and show you the results. The video will be as short as possible. I hope the trading strategy can help you get a beautiful girlfriend. The method most effective for crypto, stocks, forex, and gold. Hello friends, welcome back to another Future Ways video.
This is the chart of Bitcoin BTC USDT. The scalping strategy is best used in 5 minutes, but it can be used on other time frames such as 3 minutes, 50 minutes, and 4 hours. For this strategy, I'll be using 3 free Tradingview indicators. For our first step, let's add indicators into our chart. Go to Indicator tab, search for MOST. Most strategy with alert by Q1 obligate this one. Add our first indicator into our chart. Next, I will teach you how to use it. Look at this. It has this buy label and also sell label. Okay. So we will be looking at this lower buy to take a buy, whereas we will be looking at the upper sell to take a sell. Now, let's tune the indicator. Go to the settings, change the input, the percent to 1. And for the properties, this is for backtesting under the strategy test, but we are not be using it. Go to style, change this to yellow, and change this to orange. Next, we turn off this quantity. That's it. Now let's add our second indicator into our chart. Go to Indicator tab, search for Coral Trend by Lazy Bear, add this into our chart, and this is how the indicator works. When the price is below the red dotted line, it means that we are on a downtrend, and when the price is above the green dotted line, it means that we are on an uptrend. Go to the settings. For the inputs, turn these two off, and for the style, close this and close this, as we will not be using them. For the color, change this to light green and increase the opacity. For the red color, increase the opacity. Now click OK. For our last indicator, search for price stroke volume value histogram by demand 103. Click and add it into our chart. Now, this is a volume histogram. So how does it work? First, do look at the candles. They have been changed into a trending color. Okay. So when the histogram is above 0, it means that the buyer volume is huge. Whereas when it's below 0, it means that the seller volume is huge. Now go to the settings. Okay. Now go to the settings. Go to input, change the look back to 27 and change the EMA length to 38. Go to the style, change this to line and click OK. For the second step, I will teach you how to use the indicator. For buy signal, there are 4 rules to follow. The first is that the price needs to be above the green dotted line of Coral Trend, and the second is that the most strategy needs to show a buy signal, and for our volume histogram, it needs to stay above 0 and on a green area. And the fourth condition is that the candle must be green color. So I will be taking a buy here with a stop loss setting below the support, and target is 1.5 or 2. Okay, so let's look for another buy. Here, let's see. The price above the green trend, but this one is below 0 and the candle is red. So we will be avoiding this kind of trade. After taking a buy signal, now let's look for a sell signal. For sell signal, there are also 4 conditions to follow. First is that the price needs to be below the red dotted line. The second is that it needs to show a sell signal for the most strategy, and a value histogram needs to be below 0 and on a red line. The fourth is that the candle needs to be bearish. So I will be taking a short here with a stop loss above the previous resistance and set is 1:2. Okay. Let's look for another sell. Is this valid? Yes. But is this valid? The candle is green and the volume histogram is above 0. So we will avoid this kind of trade.
Now, you have basic info on how to trade. Let's practice the strategy 51 trades. If used correctly, the win rate is 82%. To learn about other scalping strategy, check this video.